everyone, I'm Penny. A few customers asked me about the reasons for incorrect dimensions and shapes during the wire drawing process and their solutions. I've summarized the causes and solutions to share with you for reference. Drawing die wear. Regularly measure wire diameter and replace the die promptly if it exceeds tolerance. Wire thinning. Adjust drawing die matching and improve lubrication effectiveness. Incorrect die used. Measure wire diameter after threading to ensure the correct die. Wire scratches. Inspect die quality and lubrication conditions. Die misalignment. Ensure proper alignment during die installation and maintain the die holder. I hope these solutions help you resolve issues. Wishing you success. Feel free to contact us with any questions.